What up, gang? It's Gadget Beard back in the lab, or should I say the newly organized cleaning zone. Today we're diving deep into the world of cordless vacuums, and I'm thrilled to introduce a new contender that's been making some serious waves, the UWANT V500 Cordless Vacuum. You see, lately with my wife back at work, I've had to step up my game on the home front, and by step up, I mean figure out how these ancient cleaning tools actually work. And well, since I'm Gadget Beard, a regular broom isn't just going to cut it, and that's where the V500 cordless vacuums comes into play. So let's see what this V500 is all about. First impressions is everything. They genuinely matter, and the unboxing experience for the V500 is incredibly clean and straightforward. No frustrating plastic clamshells or excessive twist ties. It's like they actually want you to get to the good stuff. Everything's thoughtfully packaged, giving you that immediate sense of quality. As we pull it out, you can instantly appreciate its sleek modern design and how surprisingly compact it is. Seriously, if your living situation involves playing Tetris with your appliances, this is a huge win. Now let's talk about what truly sets the V500 apart. One of the first things that completely grabbed my attention and frankly brought a tear to my organized eye is its revolutionary charging station. Forget about drilling unsightly holes in your pristine walls like some other brands demand. The V500 boasts a integrated charging and storage solution. You simply drop the vacuum in and it charges automatically while tightly storing all your attachments. No more hunting for that misplaced tool underneath the couch or accusing your significant other for hiding the crevice tool, because let's be honest, that's definitely not what happened. This brilliant design also contributes to its minimal compact footprint, making it incredibly easy to store away without dominating your space. It's like a secret agent charging dock for your dust busting dreams. Yeah! But here's the absolute game changer, the auto dust collection system. This isn't just about emptying the bin, it's about making that entire messy, sneezing inducing process completely hands-free. The V500 dustbin automatically empties its contents into a larger capacity collection bin, conveniently located in the charging station. This means no more flinging dust into your face, no more touching the dirt like some kind of medieval hygienist. It's a massive win for hygiene and ultimate convenience. It even has an automatically dirt removal feature, ensuring the dustbin is always pristine and ready for your very next clean. It's basically telling dirt, don't call us, we'll call you, and then collect you automatically. And check this out, this is genuinely brilliant and a little terrifying. The V500 features a unique green light browser. This bright green light illuminates a wide area directly in front of the vacuum, making the tiniest dust particles and hidden hair shockingly visible. It's incredibly effective at showing you exactly where you need to clean, ensuring you genuinely don't miss a single speck. My floors looked clean before, but after this, I realized that I've been living in a subtle dust apocalypse. Thanks V500 for the existential dread. In terms of raw cleaning performance, the V500 absolutely doesn't disappoint. It delivers a powerful 50 kPa suction for deep cleaning, effortlessly tackling dust and debris across various surfaces. What's more, it boosts a long battery life up to 60 minutes on a single charge, which is fantastic for cleaning multiple rooms or even larger homes without frustrating interruptions. And whether your home has hardwood floors, plush carpets, or delicate surfaces, the V500 is suitable for all floor surfaces, making it incredibly versatile. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cordless vacuums, but for dirt. So after putting the V500 through its paces, you can tell I'm pretty impressed. But since everyone always asks, how does it stack up against one of the big names, like the Dyson V10, let's be quick about it. The V500's auto dust collection system is a real differentiator, fully hands-free. which Dyson's point and shoot isn't quite. Both the UWANT V500 and the Dyson V10 offers up to 60 minutes of fade-free power, so that's a draw for the marathon cleaning. And while the Dyson has acoustic engineering and various specialized tools, the V500 counters with an integrated charging station, compact design, and that brilliant green light browser. So, if hands-free convenience, smart storage, and the ability to spot every speck of dust are your top priorities, the V500 is truly a strong contender. It offers innovative features that redefine the cleaning experience, especially for someone like me who's new to this new heavy-duty chore rotation. It's packed with intelligent design that just makes sense. Ultimately, the V500 has earned its spot in my gadget arsenal. It's powerful, it's smart, and it definitely makes stepping up to the cleaning duties a whole lot more tolerable. What do you think? Have you tried the UWANT V500, or are you a Dyson loyalist? I'd love to hear your experience and thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more honest tech and gadget reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out our next cleaning tech showdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.